This is the ScandyCandy sweet and sour mix, and it's all Swedish candy. And this one is a sour strawberry foam banana. And we're gonna go ahead and try this together for the first time ever. And the reason why there's not that many candies left in here is because I ate them. Okay, so this is nice and sour, but the sourness does mellow out a little bit as you're eating it. It has that perfect marshmallowy but yet gummy texture that is really popular in Swedish candy for good reason. Those are my favorites generally. That's why you don't really see too many of the foamy ones left in here, is because I ate them. But this one is really good. And in terms of the banana part of this, it's really just the shape. This tastes like a strawberry candy. Anyway, if you decide to try ScandyCandy too, let me know which flavor ends up being your favorite.